You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, names that many get wrong, stay tuned. There are more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. There are two different pronunciations, at least I believe, in English. Ayman, Ayman, some may say it a bit more as Ayman, or Ayman. The two main differences are the beginning, A or I, Ayman or Ayman, and some may say man or man at the end as well. So there are quite a few variations. How do you pronounce it yourself, and where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.